So hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to save your G code on Inkscape, but you should know that the Inkscape Unicorn Master does not work for the latest versions. So let me show you just what happens to me when I just try to do so. So as the readme text says, you copy the source content or this folder's content into the let me see, you go to your installation location and you go into Inkscape, share and extensions, and you paste what you have just copied it in. I've just done it before. So and I hit replace, and that's that. Now when you try to open up Inkscape, okay, here it is open. So we're gonna go to properties, document properties, and we're gonna set to our widths and heights to 40 by 40 millimeters. Since if you saw my video about a CNC plotter, that's what the plotter is capable of reaching, so it only has a space of 40 by 40 millimeters to draw on. So we're gonna import a picture that is we're gonna use this logo of mine that I use on the channel, which I also built on Inkscape. I actually draw it, not built. I messed up some. I mean the belt with the building of electronics with the software drawing, and yeah, whatever. So when you get the picture at the size you need, make sure that it's not out of borders of the page, because it won't draw it by the CNC or the plotter. So you need to, I guess, to convert that to path and do a trace bitmap thing. I actually just saw guys doing all of this. I can do a live preview over here, as you can see. That's it. And you can actually you can work with this if you haven't choose the color option. I'm choosing the color option, but it's not gonna work since I only want to draw. So anyhow, I'll just leave it like so. It doesn't matter actually, because it's not going to work anyways. So you come up with the trace and then you delete the original, if you will. And then you put this back inside the border of the page and you try to save a copy, and you choose the makeup art, which appears after you exported or you copied those folders that we've talked in the beginning. You name it whatever you see fit. So I'll try to do so. I'm not sure about this parameter, but I guess I just want to test the G code, but it actually didn't work, so I couldn't tell if these parameters are wrong or not. So here we go, and then it gives you that it couldn't save the file. So after reading the readme again from the Inkscape, what is it? I don't know. Let me see. Here it is, Unicorn Master. That's the one. So it says this works. This actually was tested with the version what is it? Come on. With the version 0.4. This is the latest version. They've tested it. They've tested the G code extension with, and it works for this one and before that one. Okay, So I've gone ahead and downloaded that one, a version that is like that. And excuse me for 1 second. Here it is. We have this one. Actually, it's older than that one. So we're gonna try installing it, and I'll pause right here till I installed it, and we'll see the results, and hopefully we can save some G code. So here we are. We finally installed this one. I actually found out that I should uninstall the version because, well, I assumed I could install 2 different versions at once, but anyhow it asked to uninstall the version that was already installed, so I did it anyways. So here we are. We are gonna escape running the software for now till we copy the extension, the G-code extension, once again to the Inkscape. Actually, not that one. So we're gonna go to our programs, then into Inkscape, share, extensions, and okay, it's still there. So we're gonna hit replace anyways, just for the heck of it, or the hell of it, I don't know. Some people say the heck of it, I don't know why that is. So now we're gonna try and open up the new old version. Anyhow, so we're gonna set the properties again. Now this one looks a little bit different, so yeah, select millimeters over here, and 40 by 40, and then close this one and zoom in. How can I zoom in on this? Okay, we can zoom in the page. Yep. And probably we can use the, I don't know, but some ways that I'm used to on the newer version are not applicable over here at the. So anyways, we're gonna import an image. Hopefully that will work. Okay, let's minimize that till it reaches the point where it's inside the page. So yeah, again, zoom out on the page or zoom in. Actually, don't. Nah. Is it that trace bitmap thing? Can we do update? Let's use colors. Yep, that'll work. So, yep, okay, and we have that. And delete this one, and then bring back this one over here. So we're gonna go and save a copy and select G-code. We want to save it at this folder over here. We're gonna say logo and save, and hopefully it will be saved, and it looks like it is. So yeah, let's check it out. Let's go to G-code files, and there it is. That's great. Let's try open it up with Notepad++, and there it goes. You have all the movements for the instructions for the Arduino to move, and I guess that was the solution for the problem of saving G-code. I hope this helped a lot of you out there who's trying to make G-codes with Inkscape. And Don't forget to like if you like our content, and subscribe for the channel if also you like the content of the channel. I guess that's all, and thanks for watching.